Then depending on how that goes we won't roll that out to a few other places, but we'll try to do interesting fun things that are not necessarily economically sensible buddy cool. Although electric vehicle sales in the United States have climbed by more than 40% each year, the question with the charging network is whether it's good enough. Will it be adequate for tomorrow and the world of 2025? As the top producer of electric vehicles in the world, Tesla will add more than 340 new supercharger locations across the US in 2022. So how fast is the charging speed of Tesla Supercharger, and where will they be installed? Moreover, if new batteries are released, will Tesla have a policy on replacing batteries to speed up the charging process? Let's find out in today's episode of Tesla Car World. Welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already and ringing the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now let's get started with today's content. That will do a couple of just fun things, like we're going to do a really fun supercharger location in last year Tesla installed nearly 4,000 supercharger stations worldwide, a 34% increase year-on-year. The number of Tesla stations in the first 3 months of 2022 was 3,724, representing a 7.13% increase over the previous quarter. Recently, the company announced the opening of more than 340 new supercharger points throughout the United States. News of the supercharger network expanding further will surely get Tesla owners excited. The Tesla supercharger stations are the fastest chargers available, but they can also wear down the battery faster. Tesla has a strategy to place superchargers around highways and major travel routes throughout the country to make longer trips more accessible. We can see that there are 342 new locations that will soon receive Tesla superchargers. The locations stretch from the East Coast, the West Coast, that include 8 previously unknown superchargers around Los Angeles, 1 in Las Vegas, 1 just outside Salt Lake City and Provo, a handful in Texas, and a host in New York. There are also 54 new superchargers to be rolled out across Canada. Of course, Tesla is far from the only company that is expanding its network of chargers. Siemens wants to establish 1 million EV chargers over the next 4 years, while Electrify America is looking to soon deploy 10,000 ultra-fast chargers at 1,800 locations now. If you're considering purchasing a Tesla vehicle, you won't need to worry about the lack of charging stations, which brings us to the question: have you ever wondered how much it would cost and how much time it would take to charge at a supercharger station? For all Tesla models, 25 to 30 minutes will get you a full charge. Tesla says that you